Peplad Sanhita, unveiling the spiritual wisdom and ritualistic insights of the Atharva Veda. The Peplad Sanhita, a significant component of the Atharva Veda, offers profound spiritual wisdom and intricate ritualistic insights. This article delves into the essence of the Peplad Sanhita, exploring its composition, ritualistic significance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in guiding seekers towards a deeper understanding of the mystical dimensions of existence and the practical applications of ancient wisdom. Brief overview. Embedded within the verses of the Atharva Veda, the Peplad Sanhita beckons seekers to explore the intricate interplay between spirituality and ritualism. This collection of texts transcends the boundaries of conventional wisdom, inviting individuals to delve into the hidden layers of metaphysical understanding and ritualistic practices. Composition and structure. The Peplad Sanhita is meticulously structured into chapters that encompass a diverse range of rituals, mantras, and spiritual insights. Named after the sage Peplad, this Sanhita serves as a guide to understanding the interconnectedness of rituals and spiritual understanding. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Peplad Sanhita serves as a comprehensive manual for performing rituals with precision and understanding. It details the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions of various rituals, guiding individuals in establishing a connection with divine energies and harmonizing with cosmic forces. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. The Sanhita transcends the surface meanings of its verses, revealing deeper layers of symbolism and allegory within rituals. It invites seekers to explore the hidden spiritual meanings behind the rituals, transforming mundane actions into avenues for profound spiritual experiences. Spiritual insights and philosophical reflections. Interwoven with rituals are philosophical reflections that broaden the understanding of spiritual truths. The Sanhita contemplates the nature of reality, the interconnectedness of all life forms, and the path to self-realization. These insights guide seekers towards a deeper understanding of the cosmic order. Harmony with the cosmos. The Peplad Sanhita emphasizes the theme of aligning oneself with the cosmic order. By engaging in rituals with a deeper awareness of their symbolic significance, individuals harmonize their actions with the universal rhythms, fostering a sense of unity with the cosmos. Enduring relevance. In the modern context, the teachings of the Peplad Sanhita continue to be relevant and transformative. Its emphasis on the integration of rituals, symbolism, and spiritual insights offers a holistic approach to spiritual exploration. It invites individuals to bridge the gap between the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Peplad Sanhita stands as a testament to the profound integration of rituals and spiritual insights within the Atharva Veda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Sanhita invites us to uncover the layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the gap between the external and the internal, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.